Welcome. In front of me is a ARCHOS Oxygen 57, and today I'll show you how to remove the battery from the device. So before you get started, you want to take off the cover, which I already did. Now you have a little pull tab on the bottom right corner. Right here you can see kind of like a area, just where you would normally have the cover. If I just press it on, you can see that it allows you to basically put your fingernail and just pry it open. Now you want to go all around and carefully pry it off, considering this, at least for me, this cover was holding really well, so I struggled with it, actually taking it off. But once you get it off, all you need to do is just push up the battery, which you have one right here, the area again for the fingernail. So just take it out like so, comes out, and that's it. Now there is no access to the SIM and SD card is without need to take out the battery, so this will only basically be handy for if you're trying to soft reset the device, considering it might get stuck on something and you just can't do anything. So taking the battery will help. Now to put it back in, all you need to do is just make sure that right here where we have the plus and minus is where you have the pins right here. So just slide it back in like so, and you can flip over the device and it should power back on without any problem. Let me just put in the code, and basically, as you can see, the device is working just fine. So that is how you remove the battery. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.